Yo, what's good, y'all? Tuna Paradise back with another video. So I got some things for y'all to show y'all. It's gonna be a quick unbox video. Pretty much getting ready for the new build for this shit. I'm mainly gonna focus on these three boxes right there, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I got in here. DW fuel pump, excuse me. We got ARP, head studs, bolts, and then we got some connecting rods. I'm gonna open that up for you real quick. Yeah, so these are the IE connecting rods from Integrated Engineering. I'm gonna put the link in the description for the exact ones. Like I said, we're gonna be focused on these three main boxes right here. We got oil pressure gauge, and then we have air fuel ratio gauge. There goes the pod for that. Painted that up just to give it that OEM look to the interior. Timing belt, shit in here. Water pump. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna show y'all this last because this is like one of my favorite pieces. But and then we're gonna show that one second because y'all already know what that one is gonna be. And then we're gonna open this one up first. So here it is. This is the Precision Turbo front mount intercooler. It is rated for 825 horsepower. I don't even expecting those numbers, but this was the only one that was available. The 700 one was out of stock, so we had to go with this one. And I made sure it was cool with the shop to go with this one. So yeah, this is what we have. The thing is nice quality. I want to take it out the bag for you guys, but I just want to keep everything fresh for the shop to open up, make sure everything's in good condition. So we're gonna leave that in there for you. But yeah, this thing's nice, man. Bro, I'm so excited for this build. I want to open this up for y'all so bad, but like I said, this is gonna be the second box we open up, so let me get that one. Before I take this out the box, let me show y'all. Just so y'all know that I opened this up. I put this thing in a... This thing's heavy. Put this thing in a Walmart bag just to keep it smooth, because obviously I didn't put it back properly in the bag, but... Here's the Precision Turbo 6266 Gen 2. Here's the part number. That's the part number. Man, this thing is fucking beautiful, bro. Ball bearing turbo. This thing is beautiful, man. So the turbo is rated 800. I don't expect to be pushing that much, but with the intercooler being at 825, we're gonna have room to mess with. So yeah, there it is, man. So I'll be putting a link in the description of where I got this turbo. So just so you guys can have an idea where I got all my parts and stuff. This is real life beauty, bro. Weighs about a good 25 pounds, I would say. Oh man. we're gonna skip that one, bro. We're gonna skip that one. So the next thing we got is the 44mm TiAL from Full Race Wastegate. Man, this thing is I got it in red because it's my favorite color, but this thing is beautiful, man. That's all the spring rate. That, you know, the shop's gonna, you know, figure that out, but spring rate, some couple other stuff, yeah, you know, clamps, but man, this thing is gonna be nice. Alright, so the next thing, y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. This is the turbo manifold, tubular turbo manifold. Man, oh my god, bro. This is gonna be a top mount turbo setup. It's a T3 setup. T3-4, I believe. That's T3, T4. But man, these guys went crazy on the wells. I'm putting the link into the description, man. Like, if you guys, I recommend like checking these guys at Full Race. Man, these guys go to work, man. This weighs just as much as the turbo. Probably a bit heavier. The top mount setup is just gonna be crazy, man. I can't wait for it. So there you guys have it, man. This is gonna be the new big turbo setup for the Jetta. That's gonna be it for today's video. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be keeping you guys updated through the rebuild process. Unfortunately, I won't be doing that myself. I wish I could, but I don't have my own shop to do that at. So, you know, we're gonna let the guys at DTM, you know, do what they do, man. It's gonna be good quality work. And I know the outcome's gonna be crazy. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Little unbox video for you guys. So